Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going over a basic circuit problem using Ohm's law. So there's three things you need to know. First of all, Ohm's law is V equals IR, or voltage equals current times the resistance. Secondly, you need to know that the equivalent resistance of resistors in series is equal to the sum of each of the resistors. So in this case, it's just R1 plus R2, but if you have more, it would be plus R3 and so on. Lastly, you need to know that the current across resistors in series is equal. So our current across R1 and R2 will be the same. First, we're going to have to find the equivalent resistance of the entire circuit. And that's going to be given to us just by adding the resistances together. So we have only R1 and R2, and since they're in series, we're adding 3 ohms plus 7 ohms equals 10 ohms. So that's the total resistance of our circuit. And then we're going to use Ohm's law to find the current. So as you can see, it's V equals IR. We divide both sides by R to get the current equals the voltage divided by resistance. So we have our total voltage across the circuit is 50 volts divided by 10 ohms, and that's going to give us 5 amps, which is the unit of current. And since there's only one current and one direction to travel, we know that the current across R1 and R2 will be 5 amps for each of them. But now we need to find the voltage across each of them. So how we're going to do that is by using Ohm's law again. So we have V equals IR, and that's going to equal 5 amps times 3 ohms. That equals 15 volts. And for the second one, we're just going to use the same I, but now we use R2. So that will equal 5 amps times 7 ohms, which is going to be equal to 35 volts. Now this will be our current and voltage across each of the resistors.